welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be quickly assembling the StuG 3. This is a kit from Miniature Tanks Company. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Comes with all these parts. So all those parts are good. We don't have to cut those. But here, this gun, you do have to cut. You just want to clean up all the screw marks and stuff. And then, careful to not bend the gun, but just take your hobby clippers for cutters and cut all that plastic that's underneath that gun. Alright, then you can sand it down to whatever you want. So you got the idea. Just take and clean up the screw marks. Spruce, and take this support plastic underneath this gun, take your clipper and clip away like so. There you go, sand it down if you wish. And there's this one. Alright. Last bit of cuts. Okay. Clean up all that crud over there. Okay. So this kit's now ready. Take your glue. Let's start gluing. I'll just put some glue here, there, maybe the side stuff. Alright. Then take this, place it like that. Alright, so that has gotten into a good position there. Now this one, you need to be careful, making sure it's going in the correct position. But if you look like here, you can see that just doesn't line up too well. You want it to go like this. You can see how that lines up there. So, go ahead. I'll put some glue here. Some glue here. Oh, maybe a little glue there. And then the places where I didn't put glue, I'll put my fingers. Then place this piece like that. Alright, so false alarm. Where that glue goes, you should actually put some glue here, probably. Put a little more glue there. There you go. Now the glue is going down. Press hard with this glue to make it in there. While that's all drying and stuff, you can go ahead and put this gun in there. You can choose this one, and this one. For the purposes of this video, it doesn't matter. I'll just choose this little one. Just put some glue there. Put the gun there. You can choose which one you want. Last, but certainly not least, is the tracks. You can see how it lines up there. So, it's good. Just take some glue, have it down like that. Alright, then put this track like that. Making sure it's going in the correct position there. Now let's go ahead and do that for the other side. Alright, after that, the glue can be set aside. Then put this track like that. As you can see, it's a fairly easy build. StuG. There you have it. StuG 3 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. StuG.com. Thank you so much for watching.